Good afternoon. Today I'll be talking about few signs, SIGNS, which means signals of a very high value person in corporate world. You see, you all get academic knowledges like marketing, HR, human resource, and IT, operations, finance, etc. These are all academic skills. Certain skills which are very important for the corporate world are basically, I would say, there are some 10, 12, but it's very important because then only you'll be able to get real jobs. The first is, I would say, is when the corporate companies come and interview, वो आप में क्या देखती हैं? आपकी एकेडमिक नॉलेज तो देखती हैं, आपकी जो और स्किल्स हैं वो देखती हैं जिन्हें हम बोल सकते हैं दीज आर एम्प्लॉयबल स्किल्स. तो द फर्स्ट इज सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. If you are not aware of yourself, you do not know yourself, you will be making a mockery of the interview. Now, what happens is, what you all have to have is, first is the basic intelligence, I would say. जो आदमी वेल सेल्फ अवेयर होता है उसको अपनी इंटेलिजेंस मालूम होती है कि वेदर इट इज़ बेसिक और ऑर्डिनरी और एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी इंटेलिजेंस. दैट इज़ वन थिंग. देन a person should know when he's talking about self-awareness is whether he's an action-oriented person or an excuse-oriented person. You see, what happens is there are two ways. One is action-oriented and the other is, I would say, is excuse-oriented person. बहाने बनाते रहेंगे यार बाबा इसलिए नहीं हुआ वो नहीं हुआ. You have to decide what you do. And the third is to point which I want to tell you all is self-awareness. And in that part comes is there are two types of knowledge: the real knowledge or incomplete knowledge. If you have a real knowledge, you will be a man of a high, I would say, you will make an impactful personality. And if you have got an incomplete knowledge, you will definitely going to be uh, आप एक्सपोज हो जाओगे कि आपके पास डीप रूटेड एक्चुअल नॉलेज नहीं है. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस में द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट विच आई ऑलवेज वांट टू टेल इज इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Many people are applying their basic intelligence, and very few people are very expert in this called emotional intelligence. So, in emotional intelligence, what you have to do is you have to put emotions in everything, but little bit. Like जैसे कोई डिश बनाते हैं उसमें अगर गरम मसाला ज़्यादा हो गया तो डिश ख़राब हो जाती है, और गरम मसाला ठीक रहा तो डिश अच्छी बनती है. इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस का सिर्फ हल्का सा तड़का लगाना है, सारा इमोशंस में नहीं डाल देना. एंड द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट विच आई से इज़ ग्रेस एंड कॉन्फिडेंस. आपके अंदर एक ग्रेसफुल पर्सनालिटी हो, पीपल आर रेडी टू लिसन टू यू, अंडरस्टैंड यू, एंड आई वुड से आपका सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस दिखना चाहिए. आपको लगता है आप कॉन्फिडेंट, बट दूसरे को नहीं लगता कि यू आर अ कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन. So this was the first thing which I would say is. The second I would say is empathy. You must always put your shoes, your legs into other shoes, then only you will be able to understand. Empathy is very, very important. I don't talk about sympathy. Empathy is like you feel what person is going through over it. So I would say it's not just sympathy, but it's a very strong empathetic skills which you must have. Then I would say is important is integrity. I remember Barack Obama came to India some 10-15 years back, I think during the regime of Manmohan Singh. He said the currency, next currency is going to be the communication. आज आप देख लीजिए, the faster you are the good communicator in any area, you are going to make success in terms of both commercial and recognition. Then comes this honesty. You have to be very honest with yourself. If you're not honest with yourself, believe me, you'll not be able to honest with others or the company or the, I would say, country. And then I would say is an integrity part is faith. You must have very strong faith. Believe in yourself. Because if you don't believe in yourself, how do you expect others to believe you? You have to believe yourself that I can do this and this. Then next part which I say is yeah, very important, resiliency. See, what is resiliency? Is very simple. To bounce back from any setback or disappointment or rejections or failures. In whole of this planet, right from this inception to the end, there is not a single person who can say that I have only faced success. Everybody has faced failures, disappointments, rejections, but they have bounced back. And if you are very confident to bounce back, it's going to make a very lot of impact because you know that it's a temporary setback. It's not a permanent setback, and I have to come back from this. The next point which I say is self-criticism. If you are not ready or open-minded for your corrections, criticism or convictions, you will struggle. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपसे गलती हो गई है, it's better to accept it as soon as possible. Do not try to defend it. It's going to antagonize the other person. And in continuous self-criticism is also self-respect. You must do a lot of self-respect to yourself and give others. If you do not respect yourself, then it's not going to work. Another I would say is very important is listening abilities. You have to be a very good listener. A good speaker is always a good listener. So if you're not a good listener, I'm sure that you're not going to be a good speaker. While listening, you have to be very responsive, like head nodding techniques, agreeing or raising a point, or some signs that you are a very serious listener, eye contacts. So this is very important for listening ability and responsiveness. The next employable skills for next I would say is adaptability. You have to be very adaptable. Don't be rigid. Don't be stubborn. I'm not going to fit into this. I'm going to change. Try to understand the system first. I often students come and young people come, sir, I want to resign. So I said, have you got another job? They said, no, sir. Then they don't resign. Bole, why? Because something, why do you want to resign? Bole, the system is not good. I said, then if you are out of the system, you are definitely not going to change the system. If you want to change the system, you have to be in the system. So they agree, they understand these types of the counseling is very important. And they come here with a problems. So another skills which is very important is problem solving skills. If you are not able to solve problems of yourself or the company or the situation or your community or your family, then you don't have that leadership qualities. Problem solving is, I've read somewhere somebody said that for every problem there are 10 solutions. Rather, in my lectures, I always say don't call the word problem, call it a challenge. Because problem सभी के पास है, challenge बहुत कम लोगों के पास होता है या उसको समझ पाते हैं. And the last I would say is effective communication. If you're not good in communication, then it will take a lot of time to explain for your point of view, your what do you think, what do you assess of the situation. So effective communication, I would suggest if you want to improve your communication skills, make friendship with some army people, you'll find them that they are one of the finest specific communicators. They don't waste words like others, motivational speakers like me. who try to emphasize so many pressure to exert across a point of view. In RV communication, they don't do this. They are very specific, correct. They don't waste words and time and all because they are always short of time. So these are certain employable skills which I want you all to understand and follow them, each one. If you want, you can note it down. And if you need any help from me, I am always there to guide you. So thank you. See you on the next week. Thank you. Bye bye.